Hi, Cougars. And this is Mrs. Komiak, and I just wanted to welcome you and invite you to Cooking Club and share a little bit about what Cooking Club is. So, what is Cooking Club? It is for students and teachers and guest chefs, so students and teachers can cook together. It's about an hour, and it's 1 to 2 times per month. Um, So what you'll do is you want to find out about it. You'll go to the Canvas page for advisory, and you'll see there a link for Cooking Club, and it has the Zoom link there as well. And what you'll do for each recipe, I'll have a Google form. So the Google form for this one, just make sure that you have the ingredients to help you organize, and you have your parents' permission. And then what you have and then if things that you have, you'll click off. And then if you need help getting any of them, just let us know and then tell us what you need here. Or if you have any comments or suggestions or allergies, let us know here and then you submit it. So you'll do that and then you'll go to, right, our first meeting is Monday, March 15th. We're going to make pancakes. So again, here's that Google form and then the recipe. We're going to be using this recipe. It's a Joy of Cooking recipe and it should be really good. Most cultures have it, and it's a recipe for pancakes, so it'll be fun to kind of share and talk about that. So it's not huge commitment. You can come, you can cook, you can not cook, you can just kind of encourage your friends, and we'd really like to see you there. So take care. Bye.